Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix Valorant if your game requires a system restart to play. Please restart your computer. If the issue continues, reach our player support team. Let's fix it guys. You just need to close off the right client and click on the system tray, and right client is running, then just right click on it and select exit it, and after that go to search blue and type services, click on open it. In services, you just need to find VGC service, double click on it. Startup tab, set this to automatic and start the service. Select apply and OK for save changes, and after that just to close stuff here. Now you just need to right click on the taskbar and select task manager. Go to startup apps. In here you can able to see Vanguard service vgtray.exe. Just right click on it and select enable it, and you can able to see right client. Or here just right click on it and enable it. After that just close stuff here and go ahead and restart your PC. After restarting your PC you can open the right client. Now you can play the Valorant without having any problem. And that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.